I am a system integrator. My large field team is trained to rapidly install and deploy new technology, but we lack a robust internal research and development team and the ability to produce our own products. A client has a smart farm project where the field soil condition needs to be observed, so we need to build a monitoring network. The project starts with buying WizGate edge gateways that will provide network coverage for the entire farm. For end nodes, we use RAKwireless sensor hub devices. They can be customized with a wide range of mounting and sensing options. We can also integrate third-party sensors compatible with RAK's gateway backbone network, available in the RAK web store. To manage the entire network, we can simply log into the remote device management platform, WizDM, that has all the needed integrations. To meet the client's soil monitoring requirements, tested solutions are available at the RAK marketplace, from apps that determine optimal watering to those designed to manage fertilization schedules. RAKwireless provides the necessary system elements to be integrated into an end-to-end solution that can then be offered as a complete service.